So it feels really weird to be in Orlando entering a park in the evening time because we normally don't do it this way. But we're at Illuminate this evening with a free ticket we got as pass holders, and so we're gonna go in and see what it's like and take you guys so you get to see what it's like as well. So let's head in to Illuminate. I'm not sure, I think they pump it in smells as I'm walking over here to the Candy Cascade Falls because I'm a strong scent of something very sweet. But this is what it looks like. We got the cute bears. While we walk through this bubble tunnel, let me tell you a little bit about the 5 realms of Illuminate. As you enter the park, you come into Aqua Luma, where there is Roa the Kiwi, Papa the Spoonbill, Wewe the something animal I cannot pronounce, the Kookaburra, and the Gecko. All big lantern lights there for you to enjoy. Really, really cool, fun photo op spots. Then we have already been to Candy Cascade Falls, where they're piping in a smell, which is this weird sweet. And if you walk through that area multiple times, you will have that smell permeate your clothes and smell it the next day as well. Then you can come out, and if you're going left around the park, don't ask me why we did that. I think there's fewer people going that way, so we're like, let's go left. You'll come out by the wave pools. And they've got, the first one has like a laser type show going on, which is pretty neat to be able to watch. But this area is the Enchanted Lagoon, so there are a couple displays out on the water, as you see, and there's some activities happening on the shoreline that you can participate in. I believe all of the additional activities are included, minus if you're wanting to do s'mores, that is a cost. But all of the other little activities that they have for kids, there was of course, seeing Santa. There were some game activities that you could play. There was a big Connect 4. Some sort of a wish that you get to do. All of these things are included in your price. Then we come to Mistwood Waters, where you can explore a rainforest brought to life with bird, dragonfly, gecko, lanterns, there's the macaws, the toucans, there's lizards, and there's lots and lots of bubbles. So it's a fantastic spot. Good for little kiddos. And then finally you wrap it up in Rivers of Discovery, where there is the Serengeti Express, where you get to hop on a little train and go around and see safari animal lanterns such as a lion, the giraffes, a big elephant. Really cool look. And then you will walk by the Flamboyance of Flamingos. These are tall as people and very, very beautiful. So beautiful, I sent my mom a picture and she wanted me to bring one home. No flamingos made it home with us though, so they're all still there for you to enjoy. And then finally you'll come around a turn and see the pod of dolphins, a beautiful photo op spot, and that will wrap up your tour of Illuminate at Aquatica. Now let's discuss a little bit about the food that you can have during this event. So Aquatica has made it very easy to find their menu on the website. They also have a sampling lanyard, much like what SeaWorld Orlando does. $35 for 5, and I believe it was $70 for 10, something along those lines. At the Waterstone Grill, you have the very good golden glazed tenders. We thought those were delicious. We tried them out. At Kiwi Market, if you missed the all grown-up grilled cheese at SeaWorld Orlando, you have a couple more weeks to get a taste of that before it's gone until November. At Mango Market, there's holiday meatballs and turkey with cornbread stuffing and gravy. Papa's Pizza has pizza pockets and Parmesan glow up, a chicken parm glow up. The pizza pocket we had was kind of a glorified Hot Pocket, so wasn't super impressed. But at Walkabout Pizza, they do have a s'mores pizza. It is only half the size that you're seeing, but it is quite good. And last but not least, there is S'mores by the Shore. They've made it feel like you're at a chalet almost, a campfire, and there are these wooden logs. It looks like a wooden log where fire is inside and you can toast your marshmallow over it. It has a nice cozy feel, a nice vibe that they've created for that. And by the time we walked back around the second time in the park, it was packed. There was nowhere to sit. So lots of people were intrigued by the S'mores by the Shore, and that is included in your sampling lanyard. So this was the first Lantern Festival I have ever been to, and I think Aquatica hit it out of the park with this event. It was nicely laid out. It took you around the park into areas that I've never been. Unless you're doing some of the rides, you wouldn't ever go back there. And so they utilized the space really, really well. There weren't too many people the night that we went. It wasn't crowded. Everything was nice and calm. Going through the food lines was really, really simple. And so we enjoyed it and highly recommend it. You have a couple weekends left that you can go and visit it here before it closes for the season. There's no word yet on if it's coming back at the end of 2026. We'll see what people say about it, but hopefully it will be back later this year and you guys can enjoy it again if you didn't get a chance to visit it at this part of the year. So let us know in the comments, have you been to Illuminate? And then, if so, let us know what you thought about it. And we will see you guys next time on Ant on the Move.